Hello, once again, welcome to my channel. We are continuing the AutoCAD 2D drawing. Alright, so today this is what you are going to draw. As the drawing is given, you need to understand every little detail of the drawing of the work before you start. Now let's see this part. We are having two circles at this side, okay? A smaller one and a bigger one. And here we have an arc tangent to this circle, and then we have some triangular shape also here. So let's actually start with this side. But to make your work very easy, you can see the distance from this midpoint to this midpoint is 70, and there's another distance over here, and there's a vertical distance. So for your work to be very easy, for me, when I'm starting, I'll just draw a line. Okay, that line will help me. So a center line from here to here, 70, from here to here, 30, then a vertical one of 20. So let's draw a straight line of 70. That is a good practice to help you to make your work very neat. So a straight line from here, this distance, this side to this side, 70. All right, so I'll take my line command, then click anywhere. We are in our unit is millimeters, so 70. Can zoom out. Let's check to be sure of our units. Let's check our units to be sure. All right, so we are in millimeters. Okay, so to know the distance, let's check. Okay, so it's 70. All right, now there's another line, 30. So take line again, start from this point, 30. Okay, let's check the other one. Now the other one is going upward, 20, this side, 20 millimeters. So click this side, 20 millimeters. This is how I do it. Very simple for me. So now to check, you can go to this utility. You can see measure there. You measure this one, the first one is 70, you measure the second one 30, then the vertical one 20. So you know that you are doing the right thing. Okay, now we have a circle with inner diameter 15 and outer radius 20. So let's draw the inner diameter of 15 first. So circle the inner diameter, so D for diameter, then 15. Okay, all right, then if you want to repeat the same command of circle, press enter again, you click, and then the outer radius is 20, so enter 20. That is what we have here. Okay, now looking at this side, there's a midpoint here. This is an arc, okay, of a radius 20. Here an arc of radius 20. The same thing here, up here, 20. Okay, so let's try and draw this one, 20 and 20. So we take our circle, command, click here, radius of 20. Then we have another, you can press enter to activate the same command again. Press enter to 20, radius of 20. Okay, so now we have our two circles. Now we need to trim, but remember there's a straight line here tangent to the two circles, and then also a straight line here tangent to the two circles at the bottom here. So to do that, let's draw our line. Click here, and then you click here as well. Good. Now there's a straight line as well here, so let's pick our line. Click here, click here. All right, now let's trim the unwanted parts. Click here, let's trim this side, the inner side. All right, here, let me see, yes, here too as well. Now let's leave this part for now. After we draw the inner circles, of course we can trim this one, we don't need it, but this one, when you trim, all will go, so we leave it. After drawing the inner one, then we can trim it off. Okay, so there is a line. Okay, let's draw this inner small circles of radius 8. So circle, radius of 8, enter. Press enter to activate again. Radius of 8, enter. Okay, then there's a last one somewhere here. Let me see. Yeah, that is where our 30 is. Okay, the 30, which is here. Click on my right circle. Let me see. All right, it's here. 38. Okay, now we are having the 3 circles. All right, so let's draw a line from this side to join this and this and that. Okay, so straight line. Now this line is supposed to be tangent to this circle. So to do that, just press, then press shift right click, then press tangents and you click on it. Okay, you select line, join this one because this is a quadrant, so it will pick the same thing. Click on line, come to this side, join it. All right, so now we can trim the unwanted circle that we don't need. Let's see. Oh, the inner is very clean, so this will go, this will go, this will go. Let's clear them all. We can clear this part as well. Let's clear them all. All right, now we have the cleaner. You can erase this line as well, you don't need them anymore. Okay, now there's one thing that you can do. You can offset this thing, this line. Okay, you can offset this line at a distance of 12, or you can draw a line. So let's try an offset. Use the offset command. So we click on offset, and then you have to specify the offset distance. So we want it 12. Click, select this line, then you go this way and you click. Okay, so now we need to extend this line down. So to extend the line, you can go to the trim command, click this arrow button here, you see the extend, you click on it. Now you have to select the line you want to extend. So you want to extend this one, so you just click and then to extend to this part. All right, now you can see there is an arc here of radius 30. Okay, so let's draw it. That is tan radius. So you click here, now you click here, click here, you specify your radius of 30, enter, and then there you get it. Let's trim this side, trim this side, trim this side. Now you can trim this side as well. So that is it. You can see we have our nice shape as we were supposed to do. We have it nicely drawn, and if you want to make it nice, you increase your line width as I've already shown you before, and you have your shape. All right, so I would like you to hit on the like button and share the video as well. And also, if this is the first time of you watching, I recommend that you subscribe and you watch out for more videos like this coming and for practicing. Thank you all for watching.